Today, we delve into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, comparing two of the most prominent models, ChatGPT and Gemini. Both ChatGPT and Gemini have revolutionized how we interact with AI, offering incredible capabilities that are rapidly changing various industries and daily tasks. Our goal is to factually compare their strengths, weaknesses, and ideal use cases, helping you understand which AI might be smarter for your specific needs. Let's begin by exploring the distinct advantages that ChatGPT brings to the table, particularly in creative and content-driven applications. ChatGPT excels in creative tasks and writing, demonstrating a remarkable ability to generate high-quality content for various purposes, from articles to marketing copy. It offers deep customization options, allowing users to tailor its responses and behavior to specific requirements, making it incredibly versatile. Furthermore, ChatGPT is a powerful coding assistant, capable of writing code snippets and aiding in debugging, streamlining development workflows. Its user experience is enhanced by clear sourcing with in-text highlights, fostering trust and the convenience of a dedicated desktop application. Now, let's shift our focus to Gemini and uncover its unique strengths, particularly its integration capabilities and multimodal understanding. Gemini is known for its conciseness and technicality, a direct result of its advanced Google brain, making it highly efficient for complex tasks. Its deep integration across Google apps, coupled with bundled cloud storage, provides a seamless and powerful ecosystem for users. Gemini truly shines in multimodal capabilities, adept at analyzing content across different formats and understanding complex diagrams to take actionable steps. A significant advantage is its free image generation, powered by Imagen 2, allowing users to create visuals without a premium subscription. It also achieves high accuracy rates in reasoning benchmarks, making it a strong tool for academic research and large document processing. However, even powerful AI models have their limitations. Let's examine some of ChatGPT's weaknesses. ChatGPT can sometimes produce inaccurate or entirely made-up responses, a phenomenon often referred to as hallucinations, requiring careful verification. Its knowledge is limited to its training data, meaning it may not have information on very recent events or highly specialized niche topics. There's also the potential for bias, as ChatGPT can sometimes produce outputs that reflect biases present in its vast training datasets. Maintaining context in long or complex conversations can be a challenge, leading to the AI losing track of previous points. Now, let's turn our attention to Gemini's areas for improvement and its specific weaknesses. One notable weakness is that Gemini's sourcing can be more difficult to trace compared to ChatGPT, making verification a bit more cumbersome. It sometimes exhibits indecisiveness, overthinking options, and struggling to make definitive choices in certain scenarios. Gemini can also display a certain restlessness, needing constant mental stimulation and getting bored easily with repetitive tasks. At times, it may focus more on superficial aspects rather than delving into deeper meanings, potentially providing less profound insights. Its adaptability, while often a strength, can also lead to inconsistency in actions and decisions, making its behavior less predictable. So, which AI is the right choice for you? The answer largely depends on your specific needs and priorities. For content creation, writing assistance, coding, and tasks demanding creativity and customization, ChatGPT remains an excellent tool. Conversely, Gemini excels in academic research, data analysis, multimodal tasks, and leveraging its deep Google app integrations. Both ChatGPT and Gemini are incredibly powerful tools, each with distinct advantages that cater to different user requirements. We encourage you to explore both to discover which AI best aligns with your workflow and helps you achieve your goals.